Hello my dear students and welcome once again to Zenith Academy Online. Today we are doing practice set 10.2 for the chapter Division of Polynomials for SSC class 8 Maharashtra board. So let's start this practice set 10.2 without wasting any time. So this is the first question. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder. So this is a polynomial here divided by another polynomial, binomial you can say. So first we will write the dividend y square plus 10y plus 4. You also have to remember that it has to be in which form? In index form. None of the variables power should be missing. So it is 2, 1 and 0. So this is in the index form. Right here y plus 4. Now please understand this thing very well. See this y square. First term here and first term here. So y into what will give you y square? Y into y will give you y square, isn't it? So if there's a y, I will write another y here. So y into y is y square. But here there is y plus 4. So this full will be getting multiplied by y. So 4 into y is 4y plus 4y. So we will write plus 4y here. Since it is getting subtracted, so we will have to change the sign. So it becomes minus and this also becomes minus. So plus y square and minus y square gets cancelled. 10y minus 4y is 6y. And I will copy this down, 6y plus 24. Okay. Now you understand here again. See the first term again. Okay. See here. This is 6y and there is y. So you will have to multiply with 6. Y into 6 will be 6y. And since it is a positive 6y, so here it will be positive. Okay, but there is a 4 as well. So 4 into 6 is 24 plus 24. Now since we are subtracting, okay, so the sign has to change. So this will be minus, this will also be minus. So plus 6y minus 6y gets cancelled, plus 24 minus 24 gets cancelled, and we get a 0 in the remainder. So what is the quotient? Quotient is equal to y plus 6. And what is remainder? Remainder is equal to 0. Is it clear? Let's go to the next question. The next question, see, p square, p and then nothing. So this is in the index form already. So p square plus 7p minus 5. This is your dividend and p plus 3 is your divisor. Now see the first, here there is p square, here there is p. So p into p will give you p square and 3 into p plus 3 into p will give you plus 3p, right? Now since it is a subtraction, we will have to change the sign. So this will become minus, this will become minus. So plus p square minus p square gets cancelled. 7p minus 3p will be 4p और दोनों में से बड़ा 7 है तो उसी का साइन लगेगा, right? Copy this minus 5 down. Now again see the first term, this is 4p here and this is p here. So, and this is plus 4p. So you will have to multiply it with 4. So 4 into p is 4p. 4 into 3 is 12. Positive 12. Right? Now since we are subtracting, we have to change the sign. This will become minus. This will also become minus. So positive 4p and negative 4p gets cancelled. Minus 5 minus 12 becomes minus 17. Right? So our quotient is equal to p plus 4. Our remainder is equal to minus 17. Clear? Let's do some more questions. Now see here, this is not in the index form. See the third question. So you have to write it properly. See, 4x cube. Then you get 2x square. Then you get 3x. Now constant is missing. So you can simply write plus 0. Okay. This is the dividend. You have to pay attention. Always this has to be converted into this index form. And then you will write x minus 4 here. Now see here 4x cube and there is x. So what can be multiplied with x? so that it becomes 4x cube. So if there is a 1, it is 4 here. So x into 4 will give you 4x. Now x into x square will give you 4x cube, isn't it? Okay, this is x1 and this is x2. So we have got 4x square. So x into 4x square will give you 4x cube. But there is minus 4 as well. So minus 4 into 4x square will give you 4 into 4 is 16 and there's a minus. So minus 16x square. So minus 16x square will come below x square. Now since it is a subtraction, so the signs will change. So here it will become minus, here it will become plus. है ना, minus से plus हो गया. So these two will get cancelled. 2x square plus 16x square will give you 18x square. Copy this down, plus 3x plus 0. Okay. Now see here, first is 18x square and here there is only x. So you will take, since it is a plus here, so plus 18x. So x into 18x is 18x square, right? But minus 4 into 18x, see, 18 into 4 is 8 4s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 72. So minus 72x, right? Minus 4 into plus 18x is equal to minus 72x. Now since we are subtracting, the signs will change. So it will become minus and this will become plus. So plus and minus gets cancelled. 3x plus 72x gives you 75x plus 0, right? So here I will say plus 75. So 75 into x is 75x and 75 into minus 4. See, 75 into minus 4. 5 4s are 20. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 300. Okay. So it is a 300 here. So we will write plus 300. Now, since it is a, sorry, minus 300 we will write, correct? Because minus 4 into plus 75. So minus 300. Now, since there is a change, there has to be a change in sign because it is a subtraction. So this 2 gets cancelled and we get the remainder as 300. So our quotient is equal to 4x square plus 18x plus 75 and our remainder is equal to 300. I hope this is very, very clear to you, children. Chalo, let's go ahead with the next sum then. Now see, this is already in the index form. 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9. This has to be divided by 2m minus 1. Now see, the first one is 2m cube and here there is 2m. So 2m into m square will give you 2m cube, isn't it? 2m into m square. So m1 into m square will be m3. So 2m3, right? Now minus 1 into m square is minus m square. So we will write it here. Now since we are changing, so there will be change of sign. This will become minus, this will become plus. So plus 2m cube minus 2m cube gets cancelled. Now here there is plus m square plus m square. So plus 2m square. Now copy this down, plus m plus 9. Now again see the first one, here there is 2m square, here there is 2m. So you have to see, put a plus sign here and 2m into m is equal to 2m square. But minus 1 into m is minus m. Okay. Now change the sign, this becomes negative, this becomes positive. So positive and negative 2m square gets cancelled, plus m becomes plus 2m and plus 9 is copied down. Right? Now 2m is here, here is also 2m. So I will multiply with 1. So 2m into 1 is 2m. Now minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now since we are subtracting, so signs have to change. This becomes minus, this becomes plus. So plus 2m minus 2m gets cancelled. 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is our quotient and 10 is your remainder. Clear? Got it? M square plus m plus 1. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. Let's go ahead with the next sum. Now again see, this is not given in the index form. So you will have to first convert it into the index form. So x raised to power 4. Okay. Now x raised to power 3 is there? It is there. So x raised to power 3. Then x raised to power 2 is there? Yes, it is there. But it is in minus. Okay. Just let me rub this. So minus 3x square. Then only x is there? Yes, it is there. Then constant. So first you will have to convert it like this. No index should be missing. Then you write 2 plus x square. This also has to be in the proper form. So it has to be x square plus 2. Correct? Now see, this is x raised to power 4 and this is x square. So x square into x square should give you x raised to power 4. But there is 2 as well. So 2 into x square is 2x square. We should not write 2x square here. Wherever there is x square, we will write 2x square that side. Is that clear to you? Now, since it is a subtraction, so we will change sign. This becomes minus. This also becomes minus. So plus x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 4 gets cancelled. Copy this x cube down. Now, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5x square. Copy everything else also down. Got it? Now see, there is x cube and this is x. So, plus sign is there because this is plus. X square into x will give you x cube. Now, 2 into x will give you 2x. So, I will not write 2x here. I will write 2x here. Isn't it? Now, since it is a subtraction, so I will have to change sign. This becomes minus. This also becomes minus. So, this gets cancelled. I get minus 5x square. Okay. Plus x, because 3x minus 2x is x, minus 12. Now, you see here there is minus 5x square and here there is x square. So, I will have to multiply with minus 5. So, minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square, bacho, right? And 2 plus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So, I will have to write minus 10 here below the constant. Now, since it is a subtraction, so I will have to change the sign. This becomes plus, this becomes plus. This gets cancelled. Copy the x down and minus 12 plus 10. Both are different signs, so we will subtract and put the sign of the bigger one. So x minus 2, and here there is x square plus 5. So this can't be divided further. I have already told you. This is the remainder and this is the quotient for question number 5. X square plus x minus 5 is the quotient and x minus 2 is the remainder. Clear? Let's go ahead. Now, this is already in the index form. A raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 3 plus a raised to power 2 minus a plus 1. This whole is divided by a cube minus 2. Okay. Now, see, a cube into a will give you a raised to power 4 and minus 2 into a is minus 2a, but it will come here. Minus 2a will come here and below a. Clear to you? Now you subtract. So sign change, sign change. This gets cancelled. Copy these two down. So minus a cube plus a square. Now this is minus a plus 2a. So it becomes plus a plus 1. This also comes down. Right? Now here there is a cube and here there is minus a cube. So you will multiply with minus 1. So a cube into minus 1 is minus a cube. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So plus 2 will come here. Now since it is a subtraction, we will change sign. This becomes plus this becomes minus. So this gets cancelled. You get a square plus a down, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now you can see the index or the degree of this is a square, is less than a cube. So this can't be divided further. Correct? This can't be divided further. So a minus 1 is the quotient. This is the quotient. Sometimes the quotient looks bigger than the remainder. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So what's the remainder? A square plus a minus 1 is the remainder. Clear to you? Now we'll go ahead with the last question. Now this is the last question. So first let's write this in the index form. 4x raised to power 4 minus 5x raised to power 3. Now x square is missing. So we will write 0x square minus 7x plus 1. This is the dividend. Now you have to divide it with 4x. Now see here, 4x into what will give you 4x raised to power 4? X square, right? No, x cube. So 4x into x cube will give you 4x raised to power 4. Because there is 1 plus 3 will give you 4. Correct? So, sorry, there is a minus 1 as well. Now, minus 1 into x cube is equal to minus x cube. I will write it here. Now, since it is a subtraction, so I will change the sign. This will become minus, this will become plus. So, plus 4x raised to power 4 and minus 4x raised to power 4 gets cut. Minus x cube plus x cube. Minus 5x cube plus x cube. So, it is nothing but 1. So, it will give you minus 4x cube. Isn't it? Now, this is 4x and this is minus 4x cube. So, I will have to write minus x square. Isn't it? Minus x square will give me minus 4x raised to power 3. Now, minus x square into minus 1 will give you plus x square. Right? First, I will have to copy this as it is. So, plus x square will come here. Right? Now, since I have to change the sign, it will become plus and it will become minus. So, this gets cancelled. 0x square minus x square. So, it will get minus x square minus 7x plus 1. Now, you see 4x into what will give you minus x square? No? Because here there is a 4x and here there is minus x square. So, definitely it will get divided because this is x square. No? This is bigger. So, 4x, see 4x into x, if I do it becomes x square. Now, I have to have a minus also and this 4 has to go. So, if I put a 4 down, can you see here? 4x into minus x raised to power 4. So, this 4 and this 4 gets cancelled. I get minus x square. Correct? So, what I will have to multiply here is minus x raised to power minus x upon 4. So, 4x into minus x by 4 is minus x square. I have already shown you here. 4x into minus x by 4 is minus x square. Now, minus 1 into minus x by 4 will be positive. See, minus 1 into minus x by 4 will be positive x by 4. So, I will write positive x by 4 here. Now, since it is a subtraction, I will change the sign. This becomes plus, this becomes minus. So, this gets cancelled. Now, what I have is, I will just write it here. Okay. Now, I have minus 7x minus x by 4. So, what it will be if I put a 1 here? What it will be? 4 will be the LCM. So, this is minus 28 because 7 4s are 28 and it will be minus. So, minus 28x minus x. So, it will give you minus 29x by 4, right? So, I will have, see, I will have minus 29x by 4 here and plus 1. I will carry this plus 1 down. Is it clear, children? Now, will it get divided further? Yes, it can, right? because here also it is an x, here also it is an x. So what I will do is, I will check 4x into what will give you minus 29x by 4, right? So there is a minus sign here, so obviously yeah, minus will come. Now 4 is coming in the denominator, so if you put a 16 here, then this 4 will get cut, and here in the denominator we will get 4, and here I will get my 29x. Did you get it? Did you get it, students? So if I cut this 4, I will get 4. No, x is already there. I will not put an x. So x into minus 29 is minus 29x and 4 in the denominator. So 4x has to be multiplied with minus 29 by 16 to get minus 29x by 4. Did you get it, students? So 4x has to be multiplied with minus 29 by 16 to get you minus 29 by 4x. Okay. And minus 1 into minus 29 by 16 is plus 29 by 16 here. So if you change the sign, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. So this and this gets cancelled. Now what I have got here is 1 minus 29 by 16. So 16 is the denominator if there is a 1. So this is 16 minus 29. So 16 minus 29 will be 13. That also negative 13 because 29 bada hai. So negative 13 by 16 is the remainder. Negative 13 by 16 is the remainder. Right? I will just delete this. So students, what is your quotient? What is your quotient? Your quotient is, see, your quotient is x cube minus x square minus x raised to power 4 minus 29 by 16. And your remainder is minus 13 by 16. Isn't it easy? You just have to take care, okay? You just have to solve very calmly, okay? And then it will be clear. If you have any doubts, you can pause, you can go back, watch the way in which I have solved, and you will be able to do it as well. So I want you all to practice it very well. If you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications. Now next coming up on our channel for SSC Class 8 Maharashtra Board is rational and irrational numbers. So stay tuned and keep the learning always on. Bye-bye.